Good afternoon, YouTube. I have got to go to a stupid ass meeting for work today. So I figured it's a nice day outside. Might as well take the good old GS in. You know, put some miles through her a little bit.
Gotcha, bitch!
The good old meat sticks. See if we can get these draggy times down that I'm gonna attempt for you guys today. So, without further ado, and there they are. They are S71 welds, 15-inch, 15x10s. They are Mustang offset, running a 275 6015 Mickey Thompson ET Street SS Street radio. So today, we're gonna do a little test and see how we can drop the time by putting these 15s on today. We used to have the CCWs on, and I'm not 100% right now, but when I did the Dragy app last time, when I tried to do the 60 to 130, it was like a 6.2 or 6.3, and with it spinning through second. So I'm almost sure that I can drop into the 5s if I get some traction. So we're gonna try that out today. See if the welds hold up right now, 4,000 RPM, just like our last video, and see if it holds. Just playing around, we've already ran a 6-second flat on the Dragy, so .573. We're already shaving some time off, fellas. Short shifting. It's crazy with this T56 Magnum that at 60 miles an hour, second gear, I'm at 4,000 RPM.
Another one. Gonna financially recover from this.
Just power shifted forth and woo! She let out something. Probably catch it on camera, see how she did. We're gonna try one more Dragy run and then we're gonna call it a day. For some reason the Dragy app keeps crashing when I try to do the video on the actual app.
And another one. Got our time down to a 5.6, still no anti-lag, so that's pretty cool. Nice day for some glamour shots, so I'm gonna see if I can get those pictures today for you guys, a video.
Show me what you got, I want to see what you got.